I love this app for what it does. Let me start with its ability to allow users to transact globally. Some of the clients I worked with in 2021 resided in different parts of the world and paid me using PayPal. Being able to receive payments from PayPal in minutes to my MPESA with good exchange rate is a good deal for me. Inside the app, you can see the link to either top up PayPal or withdraw money from PayPal. The process is as easy as paying a bill. Also, you will receive your money within few minutes. The second beautiful thing I love about MPESA app is being able to tag expenses each time you spend. For example, when you pay for shopping, you can tag the expense as shopping. At the end of every month, you'll be able to see how much money you spent on shopping. This really helps in managing expenses and being accountable. The third feature I have been using and love in MPESA app is the mini apps. The mini apps within the MPESA app is quite convenient to those using the application. For example, with mini apps, I'm able to book a flight, train, buy electricity tokens, and pay for insurance, etc. etc. If you are someone who is looking for ways to save money and time, then you will enjoy using MPESA app for the convenience that it brings. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.